one's that?
5D Mark II. This is the big buck camera.
Ooh. You want to do another one? Anthony, look what Mommy's got. Put it in there. There you go. Put it in.
Got it.
What?
It's on top of that TV.
Gotta let it go. Put it in there.
What's on top of the TV?
No.
My big ass.
Put it in there. Let it go. Put it in there. Drop it in there. Put it in there. Look at that.
Honey, you gotta move your shoulder.
Put it in there. Put it in the cup. Nope, that ain't gonna work.
Who is snoring like that? Which dog?
Molly. Do another one?
I don't think Snaky likes me anymore. Ever since she took her swing at me.
Now put it in there. Put it in there.
I didn't do anything to her. She tried to bite me.
Put it in there. No, you gotta let it go. Put it in there. No. Put
Why?
it in there. Uh-oh, you cracked it.
Because she's hungry? The guy tells me don't feed her until she poops, so...
I'm taking video.
Her, now she's trying to bite me.
Put it in there. Ooh.
Oh.
It didn't crack it. Uh-oh. All gone. Don't drink it. No. Should I let him stick his hand in there? One of the lighter colored ones?
Oh, he's mad now.
Should I let him stick his hand in there and pull it out? It's yellow. I mean, it's really light. Get it.
Yeah, we used to go to church on Easter Sunday with
Get it.
stained hands. But we wore white gloves.
Woo! Look at that. Baby's first egg.
Is that pretty?
Ooh, pretty. Get it. Pretty. Can Mommy have? Thank you.
Give it here.
Sort of. He started to, and then he just put it down.
Well, it's your time to give it to you.
Well, he does do it occasionally.
Maybe I should, see if the towel's ready for this color.
Yeah, dry that off, because if he's... Oh, you're putting it in his mouth. Oh, look at the taste.
It's just a little water vinegar.
Oh, he just put that in his mouth.
Me and Matt ate the tabs the 1 year.
Oh, yuck. Maybe I shouldn't let him do that with the darker colors, because that's starting to turn his hand a little color.
So what?
Okay.
Hey.
Ready? He knows it's in there. There you go. Mommy have? Just dry your hand. Oh boy. You have to scrub. Look at his hand. Instant.
Color in his hand?
Oh yeah. You know what? It's his first Easter he gets to celebrate. If anybody has anything to say.
Yeah, that's exactly right.
Oh my god, his hands are so green.
Here, look, another one. Don't drink it.
Don't drink it.
It's in there. He's trying to see it.
He has the right idea of putting it in the tray.
No.
Don't eat it.
Here, look. Put it in there. No. Put it in there. No. Put it in there. No. No, get the egg. No. Okay, Mommy will. Can I have? Mommy have it? Nope, you just want to play with it? Okay. Oh boy. Taylor didn't need to have this much fun with Easter. Make sure that's far away. Hold on. Hey.
Oh. I'm glad that he can't speak.
Boy, he is a Joe Temper. You're gonna knock that out of him fast.
Now, Mommy have it. Ooh, pretty.
Joe Temper.
Mom, can you give me some drink? Like,
Thanks for passing by.
Never mind, because I just want to put it into my mouth.
Hey. No. No.
What's trouble? Hey.
Look at Mommy.
Somebody was in the cheesecake.
I have a little piece over there. Look what Mommy's got. Look. What's in there? Well, I think you've got to be left-handed. Ooh, pretty. Can Mommy have it? Let go. Thank you. Dry your hand.
Maybe I'll make this out. Linda's got it.
Put it in there. No, don't eat it. There you go. Put it in there. Good job. Good boy.
That was a good job, buddy.
Here. Ready? Put it in there. Put it in there. Good boy. Hold on, just dry your hand. Where did the go?
Oh, that scares the hell out of me.
Yeah, he's actually doing it, Jen.
Yeah. What?
He's
He put it
putting
in
them in.
there. He dropped it in there by himself. Come on now. Hold on. Oh my gosh.
Why has he got such a temper on him? Terrible.
Here. Put it in there. No.
Going by aim,
Put it
right?
in. No.
God, you're gonna have to walk through
Put
anyway.
it in there.
Oh, wait.
Put it in there. Put it in there. Put it in there. You do. Let it go. No, it's not in there. Put it in there. Now let it go.
These meatballs are not hanging their toes.
Here, you do. See? Put it in there. Put it in there. Not in there. No. Gotta put it in there. No. Put it in there. Good boy. Now let it go. Good job. Wow, look at my nice tie-dye paper towel. Anthony's creation. Starting to look like Rainbow Brie.
Hey.
Hey. Here. Put it in there. No, put it in there. Put it in the cup. Mommy's gonna do it. Give it to Mommy. Mommy have it? No. Put it in there.
Is this all the meat?
Whatever's in
Thank
that
you.
bowl.
Mommy have it? Put it in there.
Stupid
Drop it.
cold.
Good boy!
Say yay. Yeah. This afternoon.
Put it in there. Good boy! Put your hand off.
Dying Easter eggs at 11 o'clock at night.
Yeah,
You can't even believe that the kid's still awake.